Welcome to Simply Explained, where we break down deep tech without the deep confusion. Today we're exploring something that sounds almost too good to be true: serverless computing. Let's clear one thing up. Serverless doesn't mean there are no servers. It just means you don't have to manage them. With serverless computing, all you do is write your code, and the cloud provider takes care of everything else: provisioning, scaling, and maintenance. Here's how it works. You write a function, say to resize an image. That function only runs when it's needed, like when someone uploads a new photo. You don't pay for idle time. You pay only when your function runs. Serverless is used everywhere, from handling web form submissions to running chatbots and backend APIs. So why is everyone talking about it? Serverless lets developers focus on writing code, not managing infrastructure. It also scales automatically and can handle thousands of users without breaking a sweat. But serverless isn't perfect. It's not ideal for long-running applications or workloads that need full control over the server environment. Think of it like ordering food. Traditional cloud is like cooking at home. You shop, prep, and clean. Serverless is like ordering delivery. You focus only on the meal, not the kitchen. And that's serverless computing, simply explained. If you found this helpful, drop a like, hit that subscribe button, and we'll see you in the next one.